How to withdraw money from Bitget to bank account. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to withdraw money from Bitget to bank account. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Bitget app on your device. Log in to your account. Now go to More tab on the home page. Tap on P2P. Now you have to add your bank account. To link your bank account, tap the three dots at top right corner of the screen and choose Payment Methods. Now you have to select Add and Pay Transfer or Bank Transfer. Enter all your bank details like your bank name, account holder name and account number. You have to choose a verified merchant. For that you have to go to P2P page. Select Sale. And now look for a merchant with the verification badge next to their name. Verified merchants ensure secure transactions. Now you have to tap Sale next to your chosen merchant and enter the amount of USDT you would like to sell and confirm. The merchant will transfer the payment directly to your linked bank account. Alternatively, you can also transfer your USDT to another exchange like Binance and withdraw to your bank from there. That's all for today. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.